Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Parvej and today we will learn how to create number and letter combined logo. In this video, I'll show you W5 letter logo design of what I'm showing on screen. I think you will learn something from the video, so keep watching and practicing with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. Let's start the design. I'll apply grid method for the logo design. For that, after taking the artboard, one thing is that make sure go to color palette and turn off fill color. Then go to stroke and set black as stroke color and set stroke size 1. Now artboard is completely ready to design. First of all, take rectangle tool and just click on artboard and make size 25 into 1000 pixel. Then press OK and make a rectangle. Then select the rectangle and hold Alt and just drag and make copy and drop on first rectangle right border. Okay. Then select the second rectangle and hold Ctrl key and Command D 4 times for 4 more copy. Okay. Then select all and make group. Then go option, transform, then go to rotate and set rotate angle 45 degree. Then press OK. Then select the group and go option again, then go to transform. Then go to reflect and make copy. Now select all and make group by pressing Ctrl G. Okay. Then go to ellipse tool and just click on artboard and make size 100 pixel into 100 pixel. Then press OK and make a circle. Okay. Then select all and go to align, make horizontal align center, then make vertical align center. Right. Then select the circle and go to object, then width, offset width. Okay. Then set offset size 25 and then press OK. Then select the second circle and go to object again, then go width, offset width and set offset size 100 pixel. Then press OK. Then select the third circle and go to object again, width, offset width, then set offset size again 25 pixel. Then press OK. Then select the fourth circle and go to object, width, offset width and then offset size 100 pixel. Then press OK. Now select all and make group. The logo thickness will be 100 and space will be 25. Okay. Then I will draw here, just draw here and make W. Then I will draw here and make 5. Okay. Then select all and take shape builder tool and this will be space and start draw from here and make 5. Oops, I want to draw with fill color. For that, take a color palette and choose black as a logo fill color and take shape builder tool, just click on here. That's fine. Then draw and join. Okay. And just draw here and make join. then I will draw letter W and draw and join 4 lines. Another one. Okay, then draw here till the block. And draw here and make join and just draw here. Complete. After finish the draw, you have to check and recheck every join and corner. If you made mistake, you will not get proper segment. See, I have made mistake. Just zoom the logo and take shape builder tool and choose fill color and draw here and join. Just draw and join and join. Perfect. I think it's look beautiful. After the check, you have to remove the grid from the logo. For that, make ungroup and hold shift key and select the logo object, then make group and then make copyright, pressing Ctrl C D and just drop here. See, this is the final logo. In this way, you can design any number and letter combined logo. What do you think about the logo? Please let me know in comment section below. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.